Yes, the U.S. should get involved with the conflict that's happening with ISIS because without the U.S., Europe and the Middle East would not be able to defeat ISIS. The reasons are Europe isn't strong enough to fight on their own. If we take away territory from the group, it will weaken them, and Europe won't fight without the U.S.
Europe and the Middle East don't have enough strength to defeat ISIS. According to the article, what is the best way to fight the Islamic State? Without the participation, the prospects of winning a typical war against ISIS are slim. This quote supports the reason of why Europe and the Middle East are weak without the U.S. because of the lack of troops and equipment.
If we take away territory from the group, they will weaken. According to the article, How Should the U.S. Defeat the Islamic State? U.S. could lead in breaking the Islamic State's territorial control of Iraq. This quote highlights the fact that the U.S. should get involved because if we take the territory in Iraq away, then the U.S. will have less territory and become vulnerable.
Europe will not fight without the U.S. by their side. According to the article, How Should the U.S. Defeat the Islamic State? European countries do not have the means to carry out major operations on the grounds in the Middle East without the U.S. standing by their side. This demonstrates the example that Europe will not fight this battle without the U.S. because it is too big of an operation to handle on their own.
Many people would argue saying that the U.S. interfering in the battle could put the country in danger, but the U.S. and its allies can defeat ISIS if they come together and think about the right way to approach the situation.
All in all, we need to go and help defeat this group before they destroy us, and if we come together, we can do it quickly and efficiently.